Look at these report cards, Amina. He's really struggling in math this semester.
I know, but I see how hard he's working.
Maybe tutoring isn't enough.
Every parent wants a smart child. A child who can think clearly, solve problems, speak confidently, and succeed in life. But today, many parents are worried. Children are spending hours on screens, but get bored with books in minutes. They can scroll fast, but they struggle to focus deeply. Some children get good marks in school, but they cannot handle pressure, failure, or real-life challenges. And many parents are silently asking, why is my child losing interest in learning? Why does my child avoid difficult thinking? Why is my child smart but unmotivated? The truth is this: children are not born brilliant only because of luck. Brilliant children are often raised in environments that train the mind correctly. Today, society is changing very fast. Children are growing up with constant entertainment, short videos, gaming, and endless distractions. Their brains are always busy, but not always growing. That is why parents must now become more intentional than ever before. And the good news is this: science shows that the brain can grow stronger through daily habits. A child's thinking, focus, creativity, and confidence can improve over time. This means small parenting habits inside your home are shaping your child's brain every single day. One of the most important things smart parents do is teach children how to think, not just what to memorize. Many homes today focus only on marks and exams, but real intelligence is deeper than memorizing answers. Real intelligence is asking questions, solving problems, and thinking independently. So when your child asks questions, do not shut them down quickly. Instead of saying, "because I said so," ask them, "what do you think? Why do you think that happened?" These simple conversations train the brain to think deeply. Another big mistake many parents make today is giving too much entertainment. Whenever the child gets bored, a phone appears. Whenever the child becomes quiet, another screen turns on. Slowly, the brain becomes addicted to fast stimulation. Then normal learning starts feeling boring. But boredom is not always bad. Sometimes boredom creates imagination. Some of the smartest children learn through thinking, building, reading, drawing, observing nature, and creating ideas quietly. A child whose brain never rests may never learn how to create. Parents, one of the most powerful things you can do is read with your child. Even if your child already knows how to read alone, continue reading together sometimes. Books improve vocabulary, imagination, memory, and emotional understanding. But more importantly, reading creates connection. Many successful children were not raised with expensive tools. They were raised in homes where learning was part of everyday life. And please remember this carefully. Do not praise only results. Many children today are scared of failure because they think mistakes mean they are not smart. Instead of saying, "you are so smart," say things like, "I love how hard you worked," or "you kept trying even when it was difficult." This teaches children that growth matters more than perfection. Another important habit is giving children responsibility. In today's society, some parents do everything for their children. But children become smarter when they participate in life. Let them help in small household tasks. Let them solve simple problems. Responsibility builds confidence, planning skills, and independence. Also, never ignore sleep. Many children today sleep very late because of screens and unhealthy routines, but sleep is extremely important for memory, focus, learning, and emotional balance. Sometimes a tired child is not lazy, the brain is simply exhausted. And parents, emotional intelligence is just as important as academic intelligence. Some children get high marks but cannot control anger, frustration, or disappointment. Real success in life also depends on emotional strength.
So when your child struggles emotionally, do not only correct behavior, teach emotional awareness. Help them calm down, think clearly, and express feelings in healthy ways. Children learn better when they feel emotionally safe. If you are enjoying these practical parenting ideas, make sure to subscribe to Creative Parenting, because on this channel we share simple and powerful parenting methods that truly work in modern family life. One more important thing. Allow your child to struggle sometimes. Do not solve every problem immediately. Struggle teaches resilience. Every challenge helps the brain grow stronger. Children become mentally stronger when they learn how to overcome difficulty instead of escaping it. And finally, create a home where learning feels alive, not like punishment. Talk about ideas during meals. Ask questions. Explore new things together. Turn daily life into learning moments. Because smart children are not shaped only in classrooms. They are shaped in conversations, habits, routines, and relationships at home. Dear parents, your child does not need perfection to become intelligent. They need guidance, patience, encouragement, and opportunity. One bedtime story, one meaningful conversation, one patient response, one curious question. These small moments slowly shape a powerful mind. So if you want smart children, raise thinkers, raise readers, raise problem solvers, raise emotionally healthy children. Because the future does not belong only to children who memorize information. The future belongs to children who know how to think. And that training begins at home. If you want more practical parenting advice like this, subscribe now to Creative Parenting and join our growing family of parents who want to raise confident, intelligent, and emotionally strong children for the future.